Hi, I'm Dr. Boyce Watkins, and welcome to Financial Juneteenth TV. I want to talk to you guys about something called a SPAC, or a Special Purpose Acquisition Company. SPACs are basically this new way of investing that has gotten a lot of people excited. SPACs benefit both investors and those seeking to exit their companies and get a good return on capital. To read some of the definition, a special purpose acquisition company is a blank check shell corporation designed to take companies public without going through the traditional IPO process. Though SPACs have been around for decades, the financial maneuver has gained traction recently as more private companies are trying to figure out exit opportunities, and also as the COVID-19 pandemic creates uncertainty in the IPO market. In fact, in the first 9 months of 2020, U.S. SPACs raised $41.7 billion. That's 44% of all public offerings, according to the Financial Times. Right now, SPACs are a pretty attractive investment. The target company is able to go public pretty quickly without much of the volatility that's associated with traditional IPOs. And also investors get access to high reward investments with limited risk. So SPACs have been used quite a bit recently. Lordstown Motors is probably the most popular SPAC as of late. Their company just went public and did extremely well. So everybody's talking about it. So just know that the IPO isn't the only way to enter into the market. It looks like the SPAC, the Special Purpose Acquisition Company, is becoming very popular. If you'd like to learn more about investing and dig deeper into these things, make sure you subscribe to this channel. And also, if you haven't learned to buy your first share of stock, or you just want to get free information from the Black Business School, go to firstshareofstock.com. That's firstshareofstock.com. I'm Dr. Boyce Watkins. I'm a finance PhD, and I care about you, and I want you to do well financially. This is a short little segment here, and I hope this helps you. So please feel free to leave comments below and ask any questions or leave any remarks. Talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.